Good morning, children. I, Mrs. S. Ojha, am going to teach you computer. In previous class, I had explained you object-oriented programming. In this class, I will teach you programming in Java, Java features, Java virtual machine, bytecode, and many others topics. Chapter 2, Programming in Java. Java was developed by Sun Microsystem. James Gosling was the team leader of Java Developer Company. So, James Gosling known as developer of Java. It is embedded device, means Java programs run on software as same as hardware equally. Programmings in Java. Mainly there are two types of programming in Java: standalone application and Java applets. Java standalone application generally refers to an application that is designed for standalone use, means single computer. There is no requirement of internet connection. Java applets. Applets are the Java application that are embedded inside HTML file and can be downloaded into a Java capable browsers like Netscape and Hotjava. Means if any applets designed by Java, then to load such type of applets, it is necessary to use internet and web browser. Features of Java. Java has some unique features which are object oriented, platform independent, simple, secure, portable, robust. Because of these features, Java considered a specific language. First is object oriented. In Java, all the programming based on object, means you must have to make class and then object, so that it is called object oriented. Platform independent, means Java application run on any configuration of machine and software. Simple, it is easy to understand and learn. Secure, it is virus free language, so virus cannot attack Java based program. Portable, Java has feature portable that make it easy to use on different platform. For loading. Robust, it is error free language, means continuously it work properly. Architecture neutral. Java executable can run on any platform that has the Java runtime environment. Distributed, meaning that it is allow you to use object located on local and remote machines. Means Java based program run on client and server both equally. Dynamic, it has some dynamic features, that's why it is called dynamic language. Network ready and compatible, it support many kinds of protocols such as FTP, means file transfer protocol, HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol, that make it compatible for use on network. Interpreter and compiler, it provide own machine, JVM, Java Virtual Machine, to interpret the bytecode so that it is platform independent. Compiler, Java also has a compiler to compile the program and generate class file or bytecode. Multi-threaded, Java based program can handle different number of tasks simultaneously. So these are main features of Java. Java platform. Java platform having three parts: Java compiler, JVM, API. Java compiler, it is used to change source code into bytecode. Java API, Java application programming interface. Java API are the libraries of compiled code that you can use in your program. These are ready-made and customizable functionality to save your programming time. Means library having some class files. Whenever you required any function or class, you just call these APIs file in your program. Java Virtual Machine, JVM. Bytecodes. A Java bytecode is a machine instruction for a Java processor. A file or bytecodes is a machine language program for a Java processor. Java processor means CPU, Central Processing Unit, is a silicon processor chip that directly execute a machine language called bytecode. This is like an Intel processor that are directly executes Intel machine language. C. Source program hello.java. In Java compiler converts source code into bytecode or class file. So because of class file, it can run on any configuration of machine. Bytecode is an intermediate code which is produced after compiling the program. Java program compiler, then compiler produce bytecode program, then interpreter take the bytecode and run on the OS operating system like Mac operating system, Windows operating system, Linux operating system. Compiler and interpreter. The main difference is that an interpreter directly execute the instruction in the source programming language, while a compiler translate those instructions into efficient machine code. An interpreter will typically generate an efficient intermediate representation and immediately evaluate it. Means compiler generate bytecode or class file and interpreter take bytecode and run on the machine. Java virtual machine. It has interpreter, that's why called Java virtual machine. Java is little difference. Java compiler produce bytecode, not machine code. Bytecode can be run on any computer with the Java interpreter installed. If Java interpreter is having in your computer, then bytecode run on any machine. That's why it make machine independent language or platform independent language by the JVM. Program naming structure. Java compilation unit contain package and import statements and declaration for classes and interface. These four components form the basic structure of Java programs. Steps in compilation. Java source code is compiled into bytecode. When we use the Java-C compiler, the bytecode gets saved on the disk with the file extension .class. When the program is to be run, the bytecode is converted using the just-in-time JIT compiler. The result is machine code, which is then fed to the memory and is executed. Last topic is object code. Java compiler produces bytecode.
Java Virtual Machine produces machine code. Object code is a portion of the resulting machine code. Bytecode become object code at JIT time. Children, your chapter has finished here. Next class, I will give you some PDF question answer from this chapter.